The video opens in a sunlit living room as a coach launches a 30-second no-equipment circuit that sparks momentum. It blends high knees with explosive push-ups against a wall, challenging beginners and pros to push their pace and form. Between rounds, the coach shares actionable weight loss tips like brief intervals, mindful breathing, and staying hydrated for peak performance. Morning hacks include a quick 3-minute mobility wake-up and a reset habit to set the day with energy. The finale crowns the session with a playful countdown, encouraging viewers to track progress and return tomorrow for new innovation.